Viksit Bharat Institution.
Is Nikita Das from K. Vikram Institution, class 7, section A.
My name is Nikita Shankar, class 7, section B, from K. Vikram Institution.
My name is Shara Chandrakar. I am from class 6, section B, roll number 25, and I am from Viksit Institution.
Our theme is River Jal Se Viksit Bharat. This model shows us the way any water lake or river is cleaned to make it dust free. The cleaning agent that can be used has to clean dirty particles in various types of water bodies. This is very much useful in everyday life for the local people, and this helps to clean or to make dust free of various lakes in the locality